Alright, guitar posture. So, can't really get the best view sitting and whatnot with the camera, I don't think. I don't know, maybe I can. Let's try it. The idea was you take your left foot, you prop it up, footstool. You can barely even see that. Basically, you have your left foot propped up on the footstool, you have the guitar's body on your left leg, and then the guitar neck angled up nice and high like this. So not down flat anymore, nice and high. Helps get those stretches better. Put you in a better position. The other thing is thumb. For playing leads and whatnot right now, especially these exercises, the pull-off exercise this week, don't have your thumb over the top where it collapses your fingers. Have it back here behind the neck. Basically almost right behind your middle finger. Mine's kind of like between the middle and the third ring finger, but just to keep things simple, aim for thumb behind middle finger. And that's going to help keep your fingers in a better position. So when you're doing the pull-offs, make sure you hear a nice good pluck with that finger that's pulling off. So this way, what you're pulling off to rings out nice and clear. And use the fingers to make the pull-off motion. Do not rotate your arm or your wrist in order to do it. So, here is the exercise. You just do that same thing on every string. And then yes, when you're doing any of the other strings, you're going to have your index finger. Try and have that show up on the camera. I guess that looks alright. So don't have that one so far on the tip that the next string rings out. You got to make sure that you're muting the string that's underneath your index finger. So when you pull off, you don't hear that string. See, that's not being muted. I'm going to do it on the G string. So here it is, not muted. Here it is, muted. Okay. And the other thing we did was just to focus on your right hand coordination and can't think of the word I'm looking for. Second time today I couldn't think of the right word. Accuracy! There we go. Right hand accuracy. So it should sound something like this. And you want to have nice, even timing from note to note. Yes, the scales to go along with your song. Yep, you have the G minor pentatonic, and then go up to the C minor pentatonic, and finally the A sharp minor pentatonic. So, might do you some good to just practice going between those. So, like go up the G minor, up and down the C minor, and up and down the A sharp minor. So just practicing going between those three keys right there, just G minor, C minor, A sharp minor. That'll help when we actually do the jam together. And I play your chord bits, chord progressions, so this way you're going to be prepared on where to switch. So yeah, let me know if you got any questions, and I'll see you again in a week.